Hello students, now we'll see the exercise question number 6. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and thickness 2 centimeter. 1.7 centimeter is the diameter, 1.75 centimeter is the diameter and thickness 2 millimeter. That gives you 0.2 centimeter. Must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension. Cuboid you want to make whose dimension is given. How much cuboid you are making? Let the number of coins be x. So make the dimensions 5.5, 10 and 3.5, all in centimeter. So what is this? It is you want to make. So volume of the cuboid, LBH. It is L, it is B, it is H. Volume of one coin is cylinder, pi r square H. What is the H? It is your H. And R is equal to 1.75 by 2. So number of coin is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of one coin. Let x into this is equal, number of is n and into this is equal to, so you put the values accordingly. What is given, pi is given 3, no, pi is not given, so you will put the values according to yourself. Question number 7. What is given? A cylindrical bucket 3.32 centimeter high and radius 18 centimeter. 32 centimeter height and radius how much? 18 centimeter. It is H. Filled with sand, and this bucket is emptied on the ground and it form a cone. It is emptied and form a cone. This form a cone. If the height of the conical cup is 34 centimeters, it is given 24 centimeters, and it is the height, it is the capital R. You want to find out the radius and slant height of the heat. You want to find out the radius. So volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder, because both are signed from here to here. 1 by 3 pi capital R square capital H, pi small r square small h. Pi cancel. So radius square is equal to 3 into r square into h upon capital H. Capital H you are getting 3 into 18 into 18 into 32 divide by 24. 3 8 ja, 8 4 ja. So by this you will get the R square. Okay. R square is equal to 18 into 18 into 4. So R is equal to, you will get 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. 2, 2, 3, 3. 36. What are you getting? 36 centimeter. L is equal to under root r square plus h square. Slant height you also want to find out, you calculate it. Question number 8. Slant height. Question number 8 you will find out. Question number 8 will be there. What is the question number 8? Slant height. Question number 7. Question number 8 is given. Water is in a canal 6 meter wide. Question number 8. There is a one canal. Canal means for 1 hour canal safe. It is a canal. One hour safe I am taking. 6 meter wide. 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep. A canal water is flowing with the rate of 10 km per hour. Rate of flow 10 km per hour. So 1 hour it is 10 km. What is the meaning? It means what is the volume of water in 1 hour? It is the volume of water is 1 hour. How much area it will irrigate in 30 minutes? A field is there. Which irrigating field is there. Irrigating field is there and you want to irrigate this field. This is the irrigation field. Water is coming from canal in this and it is a height you want. How much area? 8 centimeter standing water. It is given 8 centimeter. Water on the ground. It means it is the area. So, volume of water in field. Water in field. How much area it will irrigate? Area will irrigate in 30 minutes. Half an hour में कितना area? Volume of water in the field is equal to area multiplied by height. That is area multiplied by 8 upon 100 meter cube. It is the volume of water in the field. Area, it is the area. Area of the field multiply height will be the water of the in the field. Base area into height. Volume of water. What is the speed? It is its length. It is 10,000 meter. Volume of water in 1 hour will be LBH. So, because it is formed by LBH, that is 10,000 into 6 into 1.5 meter cube. It is water in 1 hour. So, water in half hour will be half of 10,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1.5. This area volume and this volume will be equal because the water is coming from here. Both are equal. Water is coming from here and going in the field. So volume of water in field is equal to volume of water in half hour by canal. So that is area of the field into 8 upon 100 is equal to 10,000 into 6 into 1.5 divided by 2. So area is equal to, you can calculate. This you solve, you will get your answer. Very simple way. Last question of this, what is given? Question number 9. Question number 9. A farmer connect a pipe of internal diameter 20 cm from canal into the cylindrical tank. A pipe is connecting from the canal into the cylindrical tank. In the field, there is a tank. From canal, pipe is connected in the tank 20 cm, and from canal to the tank, its pipe diameter is 20 cm. This is given 20 cm, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. We want to fill the tank. If water is flowing through the pipe, is rate 3 km per hour. Here rate is given 3 km per hour. How much time it will take to fill the tank? Rate in distance means water will cover in 1 hour this distance, which is called 3 km. So length is equal to 3 km. This is called the height of the cylindrical pipe. That is 3000 meter. Cylindrical pipe. And radius is given 20 by 2. 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 meter. Centimeter you convert into the meter. Radius and height of the pipe is given. So volume of water in 1 hour by pipe is equal to pi small r square h. Volume of water in tank required to fill, that is pi capital R square capital H. Capital H, capital R is 10 by 2, 5 meter. It is the volume of water in 1 hour, which is volume of water tank in which this water is going. So time taken. Volume of tank upon volume in 1 hour by pipe. This is pi capital R square capital H upon pi small r square small h. Five into 5 into 2 divide by r square small r. Small r is 0.1 into 0.1 into height is 3000. That you 2 decimal 2 0. 2 0, remove the 2 decimal, you will get 30. 2 15 the 5 3 the 5 by 3 hours. 3 2 the 5 by 3. You can change in the minute. 100 minutes. Hours 1 hour 40 minutes. What will you get? Or you can get 1 hour 40 minutes. 100 minutes or 1 hour 40 minutes take to fill this tank by this pipe which is connected from the canal. So very simply you apply your mind. There is no fixed formula for this. All the formulas are based on your knowledge. How are you connecting the things? What type of the figure which is given in class 9th, very carefully you can have already seen what type of the cylinder, what is its cone, what is the, if the top is not there, aquarium questions, other questions given in class 9th. So this topic is over and one topic left in this, which is called the frustum of the cone, that we will study in the next lecture. Thanks.